Hi, students and family members. Mr. Panza going over spelling homework tonight. The students should be bringing home pages 15 and 16. 15 and 16. 15 is our typical proofread. This time it's an advertisement, and we're still working on those long E sounds. So typically, we're now looking at the long E on the end of words that end in IE, Y, or EY. So those errors come up here. There's also at least one frequently misspelled word in this ad that the students must find and place in the correct way on these lines here. I'll give you that one tonight. Probably is the frequently misspelled word. So the students would need to take probably, find it, and even though it's not a spelling word, it still is one of those words that would potentially give students, or even adults for that matter, some trouble. And then they need to spell it correctly on this line or any of the lines here. You're also looking for a capitalization mistake, which the students know is typically towards the start of a sentence. So sometimes we forget to capitalize, or other times we capitalize where we're not supposed to. In this case, the capitalization is actually in the middle of a sentence, and it doesn't need to be. So this D for dog does not need to be capitalized. They rewrite the entire sentence with the D in a lowercase. For questions 7 through 16, you need to correct the sentence. Cross out the misspelled list word in each sentence and write it correctly on the line. Number 7, the misspelled list word is alley. So you cross it out, and then you would type it correctly on line number 7. The ending should have been EY, not just Y for that word. And you follow those same directions until you get to number 17. Then flip it to page 16. The first 10 questions on 16 are word patterns. Fill in the missing letters to reveal the list word that was missing. So for the first one, we have calorie. So I'd need to find that word up in the word box and then spell it correctly here to have those blanks filled in. C-A-L is already there. O-R, and they have the ending I-E for the long E sound that we've been practicing over the last week or so. Crossword puzzle is down for numbers 11 and 16. 11 and these ones here will take you through the ones. So for example, we have a large town, which would be 11 across. That would be a city. And then you can build on the word city by looking at 12 down. The cable car is a trolley. So as long as you use the words correctly, you'll be able to fill in the crossword puzzle correctly tonight for homework as we've gotten started on this video. Hope this helps.